Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss back exercise question answers of chapter motion. Our first question is, an athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 second. Means हमारे पास एक सर्कुलर ट्रैक है जिसका डायमीटर 200 मीटर है. कोई एथलीट है, सपोज वो ए से स्टार्ट करता है, वापस वो ए तक आता है और वन राउंड उसको लेने में टाइम लगता है 40 सेकेंड. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minute 20 second? मतलब 2 मिनट 20 सेकेंड में उसने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट कवर किया. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको सेकेंड्स में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. 2 मिनट मीन्स 60 इंटू 2 120 सेकेंड प्लस 20 सेकेंड 140 सेकेंड. तो टोटल टाइम हमारे पास हो गया 140 सेकेंड. अब उसको एक राउंड लेने में 40 सेकेंड लग रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो 140 सेकेंड में वो कितने राउंड लेगा. नंबर ऑफ राउंड जो है वो कितने हो गए हमारे पास, 140/40 इट इज अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 3.5 राउंड लेगा. इसको आप जनरली भी देख सकते हो. 40 सेकेंड में वो यहाँ तक आया, वन राउंड. नेक्स्ट 40 सेकेंड मीन्स आफ्टर 80 सेकेंड उसने 2 राउंड कवर किए. नेक्स्ट 40 सेकेंड मीन्स आफ्टर 120 सेकेंड उसने 3 राउंड कवर किए. बाकी कितने बचे, 120 तो हो चुके हमारे. 20 सेकेंड बचे. जब 40 सेकेंड में पूरा कर रहा है तो 20 सेकेंड में आधा ही करेगा, तो कितना हो गया 3.5 राउंड. अब हमें निकालना है डिस्टेंस कवर. तो डिस्टेंस हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा, डिस्टेंस उसने कितना कवर किया. ये सर्कुलर ट्रैक में मूव कर रहा है तो सर्कुलर पाथ मूव कर रहा है, मीन्स इसका ये जो पैरामीटर है ये इसका टोटल डिस्टेंस हो गया, विच इज गिवन बाय 2πr. 2π की वैल्यू 22/7 और r की वैल्यू क्या हो गई. जब डायमीटर हमारे पास 200 है तो r हमारे पास कितना हो जाएगा, d/2 मीन्स दिस. सो 200/2. जब हम इसकी वैल्यूज को सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा इसकी 2πr. तो यहाँ से वैल्यू आ जाएगी डिस्टेंस की, वो कितना आएगा एक राउंड के लिए. लेकिन हमारे एथलीट ने कितने राउंड कवर किए, 3.5. तो हम इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 3.5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो वो हमारे पास टोटल डिस्टेंस आ जाएगा, जो कि इसको सॉल्व करके वैल्यू आएगी 2200 मीटर. तो ये हमारा आ गया डिस्टेंस. अब नेक्स्ट हमें निकालना है डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमारा क्या होगा, देखिए डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो होता है वो शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ होता है बिटवीन इनिशियल पॉइंट एंड फाइनल पॉइंट. इनिशियली हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे है एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग 3.5 राउंड द ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी एट पोजिशन B. So this is the value of displacement here. So what is the value of displacement? Displacement is 200 meter. Okay, now let's move towards our next question. Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight 300 meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds. We have a straight road A to B and its length is 300 meter and it covers this path A to B. To go from A to B, the time taken by it is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes means 120 seconds plus 30 seconds. Total time is 150 seconds. Means the object is going from A to B and it takes 150 seconds to cover 300 meter. Then turn around and jogs 100 meter back to point C and turn around coming back and jogs 100 meter means 100 meter. Suppose this is the path which is 100 meter. Okay, and come back to point C. This is the point C. In another 1 minute means to cover 100 meter it takes time is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Okay, now what are Joseph's average speed and velocity in jogging from A to B and A to C? सबसे पहले we will calculate from A to B what average speed and average velocity. Now see, what is the average speed? Average speed, the formula for average speed is total distance upon total time, and the formula for average velocity is displacement upon time. Now see, if we are calculating average speed from A to B, the total distance is A to B 300 meter and total time is A to B total time is 150 second. So value is 2 meter per second. Now we calculate average velocity from A to B. Displacement. When our object is moving in a straight line, the distance is equal to displacement. So displacement is also 300 meter and time is also from A to B 150 second. So velocity is 2 meter per second. So at this time the average speed is equal to average velocity. Now we will calculate from A to C. Now we will calculate from A to C. When our object is moving from A to C, it is moving from A to B first and then B to C. Okay, so the total distance covered is A to B 300 meter plus 100 meter 400 meter. Okay, so total if we found out average speed, so total distance is 400 meter and the total time is from A to B the time is 150 second and from B to C the time is 60 second. So total time is 150 plus 60 is equal to 210 second. Okay, so now 210 second. So it is approximately 1.9 meter per second. This is the average speed. Now we will find out average velocity. So what is the value of displacement? Displacement is what? Initial and final position. The shortest path between initial and final. So this complete path is 300 meter and this is 100 meter. So 300 minus 100 is AC. AC value is 200 and time will be same from A to B and B to C. Time can never be subtracted from it. So time is 210 second. So the value is 0.95 meter per second. So this is the value of average speed and average velocity here. Now we will move towards our question number 3. Abdul, while driving to school, compute the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed for Abdul trip? Abdul is going from home to school and its average speed is in this direction 20 km per hour. But when he is returning back from school to home, there is less traffic, so the average speed is 30 km per hour. So two speeds are given to us. Okay, two speeds are given to us. We have to find out the average speed for whole of the trip. Suppose the distance from home to school is x, so school to home is also x. So total distance is, if we have to calculate average speed for whole of the trip na, so we will calculate whole of the distance. He is going from home to school, he travels x kilometer, plus he is going from school to home, it travels x kilometer. So total distance is 2x kilometer. Okay, to calculate speed, average speed, what we need? Total distance upon total time. So total distance is 2x. What is total time? We don't know. It is taking time from here to here and here to here. So in these two cases, the time will be changed. Suppose from going home to school, it is taking t1 time, and from going school to home, it is taking t2 time. So total time is total distance upon total speed. When he is going from home to school, total distance is x and total speed is 20 km per hour. He is going from school to home, total distance is x and total speed is 30 km per hour. So this is time t1 and this is time t2. Now we will calculate average speed. Total distance is 2x and total time is t1 plus t2. 2x, what is the value of t1? X upon 20 plus x upon 30. So we solve it. 20 and 30. The LCM is 60. X upon 60. So we can write it as 2x upon x into 60. X to x cancel. 5x. 5x upon 60. So this is 5. X to x cancel. So when we solve it, See, t1 plus t2, x upon 20 plus x upon 30. 2x is here. The LCM of this will be 60. So 5x plus 60. Now we will solve it. 2x upon 5x. 5x into 60. Okay. So x to x cancel. 5 to 12. 24. This is what? Average speed. Kilometer per hour. So these are our 3 numericals which we have discussed. Now rest of the question we will do in next module. Thank you.